Hey, what's up, guys? Jim Kim here from Pure Hemp CBD Oil. I am a CBD oil distributor with Changing the Future Outcome, or CTFO. I'll have more information on that if you're interested in either ordering CBD oil products or learning more about the CBD oil distributor opportunity. I'll leave some links for that in the description as well as in the comments below. So what you're watching right now is the live unboxing video of my first package from CTFO. It is the 30 milligrams of CBD oil. So as you can see, it comes packaged in this padded envelope. You've got the bubble wrap. And we've got another bubble wrap. This is the drops that I ordered. Let's just check this out. Yeah, it's actually kind of a heavy bottle here. It's the CTFO peppermint flavor CBD oil drops. There you go. That's what it looks like. And that's interesting. These things do expire. You can check out the expiration date there. Interesting. So let's just crack this open and give it a taste. This will be my first experience trying CBD oil. Excited about this, and the reason why I'm excited about this is CBD oil. I've done my research on this, and it's actually has quite a bit of usefulness to it. This type of medicine, which is derived from the hemp plant, which is the alternative to the cannabis plant with THC, which, as you know, would get you high or intoxicated or of a higher consciousness, whatever you want to call it. Whereas this stuff, CBD, which is cannabidiol, this stuff will not get you high, but it will heal many types of ailments, such as things like arthritis. They make analgesic topical creams for that, this company. This stuff is used to treat anxiety, depression, eczema, just a whole bunch of various medical ailments. Again, you can do this research yourself and find out all the usefulness of this this miracle healing type of medicine. So super excited to give this a try. As you can see, it's kind of like this eyedropper type of thing. Oh wow, that's what it looks like. It has kind of a green type of color to it. Interesting. And yeah, you can learn more about what types of dosages you want to do. I think it's something like 20 drops in the morning, and you want to apply it under your tongue, and then 30 drops in the evening would be the dosage. And this is the 300 milligram strength. They do come in different strengths. So this is my first experience of this CBD oil. Let's give this a shot here. Oh wow, very pepperminty. And you're supposed to place the drops under your tongue and kind of hold it in there. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Definitely a peppermint type of flavor. Yeah, that's good stuff. So excited to finally try this stuff and feel the healing effects. I know it's going to be very beneficial for my health as well as the health of many other people, millions of people, billions of people, everyone worldwide who is dealing with various health challenges. Like I said, things like arthritis and depression and anxiety and PTSD, all sorts of various medical ailments, which, yeah, you can take those, pharmaceutical type of medications, which have those various side effects which you have to deal with. And, it seems like you're always hearing about the rising cost of pharmaceuticals. Well, why not try this stuff to treat your medical challenges that you're overcoming? And in the process, you can also start a business. for free. It's actually free to sign up to become a distributor. And that way, not only are you healing yourself with this stuff, but you're helping others to heal themselves. And then you're also helping others to start businesses and become CBD oil distributors and earn an additional income stream online while helping others to live healthier lives. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed that unboxing video. Get yourself some of this CTFO CBD oil. Links to order this stuff will be in the description, as well as the link to learn more about how you can sign up for free to become a distributor and earn an income online and have your own part-time home-based business. So thanks for watching this one. There will be many more to come in the future, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks, and bye for now.